Y'all gonna be roadkill in a minute, yo.
I got $5 on that one. What's up? What's up? All best there. Oh, get that nigga. Fuck my bitch. Yo, they going in. Oh.
Yo, you see his hand on his face, like, get off.
Hell yeah. He's dying though.
My dog ain't got no time for that. Y'all gotta leave my dog out of it.
He's right under your tire.
Yeah.
Good. You're good. He gonna ride over it. Please don't ride over it. He more or less saying, why can't y'all help me? Help me.
They about to kill him.
Oh God, don't do it. Go around it.
Yo, look at BJ. BJ like, fuck that.
I don't understand what that man is saying about the dog, but okay.
I don't know why he's putting my dog in this bird madness. BJ, I got $5. Well, that nigga right
Yo. That's a wrap, I guess. Oh, and he's still going at him.
He's dead.
Yo, he's trying to get the nigga.
Watch the dog.
Yeah, he got his finger in his eye. That's what
Yeah, pick him up, pick him up.
the bird looked up too, like, what you want?
Who's puppies?
That's it.
Oh,
Just
I'm
hold him.
like, who? Hi, baby, but you can't have it.
Oh!
Oh, that's crying. What?